Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on hubpages.com. So let's get started. First go to hubpages.com and in the top right corner click on join. Now fill in the details. Write your username, your email address, password, agree with terms of use, and click on sign up. Now go to your email to verify your account. Now click on upload your profile picture. Select the picture. Now click on tell us about yourself. Fill in all the details. Add your bio here. Let me copy mine. And add a link to your website here. Now scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now click on View Your Profile. Your profile backlink is now ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.